Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do location settings on phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to location. And here turn on this button use location, so that location services will be used for Google camera, and click on see all. And as of now location services are using for Google and camera. Okay, if you want to check more services, click on location services here. And here some of the alerts can be given if location services is turned on. Earthquake alerts. Okay, just click on it, and if it is turned on, suppose some earthquake is detected near your location, it will be alert to you. Okay, emergency location services on, Google location accuracy on, Google location history it is turned on, Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning. So these are all the location services services your phone has. Okay, so in this way you can easily do location services, location settings in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.